We're in the boiler room again. We've got all the eels this time. Yeah, he invited us in here. It's so cool. Where's Fly Eel? Get off me! I see about the carpets. I like the carpets. How'd you? What? Hot tubs. Hey, hot tubs. Oh. Bounce on you. Get off me! Right. Hey Yoshi, leave me alone, I'm trying. Okay. I'm Fluffy Eel. Where are all my friends? Hey, Large Eel. What? Right. I'll go up here. So quiet in here. There you are. Oh, I like TV. I know what's TV. A fat eel? A big eel? What? What do you want? I'm trying to watch TV. Oh, that TV doesn't work. Does it not? I'll try it. How dare you not work? Hi. I'm stuck. Hi, Chef Eel. I go up here. I go sleep up here. Good night. Get off! Help! Get off me! Fluffy, oi! Hello, Eel. What? You're going to eat hamburgers. I ate hamburgers. I ate hamburgers. I'm gonna give you one now. I ate hamburgers. I ate hamburgers. Okay, I'm not giving you a hamburger. Oh, boiler room. Why is that still say 60 degrees and 75 degrees? Oh, bunk bed. I'm gonna go with this. Ow! I like this carpet. So nice. So nice. Hi. Hi. I'm the other Chef Eel. I'm gonna go and see you. Hello, boiler room. That's so scary. Hate that thing. Why have we got this thing in here? Why is this in here? Why are you all down here? Because Big Eel pulled me down here. Well, okay. Hey, Flat Eel. Hi. Hi. Because I'm trying to sleep on this carpet. Help! Get off me. I'm still stuck. Wow, fall down! Large Eel, what? Going to have some. I hate shoes! Hey, Plagio, what did you say? I said Plagio. How dare you call me Plagio? Help! Help! They're bouncing on me. No. Get off of me. No. Get off of me now. Going to have a shower. Sleep here. It's nice and comfy on here. Oh, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go on top of this. Let me out! No, I'm not leaving out. Let me out! Why are you trapped me down here? Help! 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 I don't think I should help. I'm gonna go sleep with Flat Eel. You wanna sleep here too? Yeah, I like it here. What are you doing? Oh, I'm trapped, Chef Eel, down here. Let me out! I don't know why I'm out of the camera. I hate cameras. Sometimes hate cameras. I'm gonna go on here. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm gonna get down here. I'm gonna sit on top of you. Get off of me! Don't make me join in. I will join in. No, don't you dare. I'm gonna join. No! No! Get off me! Get off us! No, I'm not getting off you. Get off me now. Ow. Get off. Let me out! No, I'm not letting you out. Let me out now. Okay, let me out. get out of here. I hate this thing. I'm gonna get out of the spoiler room. I hate the spoiler room. Ooh, look down here. What's down? Oh, mattress. Fabio, get off that. Get off that. Get off of that stupid carpet. Get off it now. No, I like it on here. I'm taking you off. Get down there. I hate you. Get it. Let me sleep on here. I need to get off it in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna make dance. And what? I'm just vibing. Where's Creeper? Pringles. I'm better than here now. Pringles. Where are Pringles at? I ate them all. What'd you say? You ate all your Pringles. No, I didn't. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It was Biggie. Where's Biggie? Did you eat all my Pringles? Yeah, I ate all your Pringles. They were so delicious. They were green ones. You ate my favourite Pringles? Yes. How dare you! Get down there. Ow, ow. Hurts. That's what you get. You can dance on you now. I like vibing. I like vibing on you. Get off of me! No! Go up here. Go sleep. Sprinkles. Largio! What? Get off! Get out of there! Okay. Finally, get out of here! Let me out! No! Not letting you go. Stop bouncing on me, fat Biggie! Get out of me! I like bouncing on you. Where's Fluffy? Fluffy! Help! Okay, I'll help you. Get off of him, Biggie! Get off of him! Me and him, friends! Get off of him! You okay, Creeper? Yeah, okay. Sorry for bouncing on you last time. Yeah, I'm okay with that. You okay? Yeah. Who's that? Archie, what are you doing? I'm here. Help! Oh, Creeper, I saved you. Fine, go away. How did you not fall it, Creeper? Oh, I'm magic. What? That makes no sense. Anyway, how are you not falling? I'm gonna get you off this. Get off this stupid file. Go on here now. So comfy on here. So comfy. Get off, Pip. Get off. So comfy on here. Oh, I like it on here. Get off it for a second. Ooh, look what's down here. I need to go over here. Where are you, Floppy? You? Leave me alone. Hate you. Will you say? Hate you. Oh, what's down here? I need to go in here. I go in here. What's here? Can I go back on here? What's some? Let me out! No, I'm not letting you out. Let me out now! No. Let me out! No. Oh, it's really comfy on here. I really like it on here. Let me out! No. Get off me, Archie! Get over there. It's so comfy on here. Let me out! No. Let me out! What's going on over there? Let me out! Hey, Creeper! Hi! I fell down! Help! Help! I'm back here. Hey, Archie! Hi! Archie, what are you doing? I'm sleeping! Leave me alone! Doesn't look like you're sleeping. Yeah, I am sleeping. Leave me alone. Look up here with all the other eels. Get off me! Hate you. What do you hate me for? Because you're ugly. What do you say? You're ugly. That's what you get. You're ugly. Hi there, Chef Eel. It's been a while since we met, hasn't it? Yes. Missed you. Let me out! No! I like it on here. Let me out! Let me out! No. I like it on here. Where's Largio? Hi, Largio. Get off me! Let me out! No! I like it on here. Largio, stop attacking me! Hey, Largio. Hi. Best friends. Let me out! No!
What are you not letting him out for?
Well, because he deserves it. He went in there and he wouldn't come out, so he's stuck. Why?
Let him out now.
That's not... What? I'm Biggie or?
Why?
Why? Help! I'm stuck! Oh, the video's going to end in a minute. Let me out! Let me out! No! I'm not letting you out. Let me out! I'm finding it comfy on here. Let me out! No! Best friends. Where's Creeper? Get off of me! Creeper, what? You're going to eat red Pringles. I hate red Pringles! You're going to go to sleep here. I like it on here. Hi! Hi! Look at me, look at me. Cool. Let me out! No. Bye.